Let's look at factors, multiples and prime numbers. A lot of people get these mixed up, but really they are quite straightforward. So what's a factor? A factor is a number which divides exactly into another number with no remainder. So let's look at an example. So if we have the number 28, the factors of 28 are 1 times 28 makes 28, so they're both factors. 2 times 14 makes 28, so they're both factors. 3 doesn't go into 28, 4 does, and 4 times 7 makes 28. 5 doesn't go into 28, and 6 doesn't go into 28. So our factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors here. If we look at 16, factors of 16 are 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 4 and 4. You'll see that 4 occurs twice here. Now these are numbers that multiply to give 16. Where anything repeats, we cross one of those out. So the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So in this case, there are only 5 factors. Multiples, you know, these are just your times tables. So multiples of 2 are just 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Multiples of 5 are just 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and it continues. So what's a prime number? A prime number has exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. This is really important that we look at these carefully. I would start with the number 1 itself. Number 1 has the factors 1 and 1. That is one factor. Remember what I said here, we cross factors out that are the same. So number 1 is not a prime number. 2, let's look at the factors. 1 times 2 is 2, nothing else makes 2. So 2 is a prime number. 3, 1 times 3 makes 3, nothing else makes 3. So 3 is a prime number. 4, we have 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. There are more than 2 factors. Therefore 4 is not a prime number. 5, we have 1 and 5 only, so 5 is a prime number. I'm not even going to write 6 down now, because if you think about this, 6 is a multiple of 2, and all multiples of 2 now will have more than 2 factors, so I'm not going to write 6 down. 7 has the factors 1 and 7, that's prime. 8, I'm not writing 8 down because it's a multiple of 2. 9, I'm not writing 9 down because it's a multiple of 3. And that will have more than 2 factors. 10, I'm not writing 10 down because it's a multiple of 5. 11, so in this case, 1 times 11, there are no other factors. 12 is a multiple of 2, so no. 13 only has 1 and 13. 14 is a multiple of 2, so I'm not going to write that down. 15 is a multiple of 5, so I'm not going to write that down. 16, a multiple of 2. 17, no other factors. 18, a multiple of 2, so no. 19 does not have any other factors. 20 is a multiple of 2, it's a multiple of 5, it's a multiple of 4, it's a multiple of 10, so it has many more factors. 21 is a multiple of 3 and 7. That doesn't get included either. 22 is an even number. Again, no more even numbers. You might notice at this point that 2 is the only even prime. 23 is 24 even, 25 multiple of 5, 26 even, 27 a multiple of 3, 28 even, 29. And this carries on. You can keep working out your primes like this. So to summarize, a factor is a number which divides exactly into another number. A multiple, these are just your times tables. So multiples of 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, and so on. And a prime number has exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. Remember, 1 is not a prime, and 2 is your only even prime. If you get anything with more than 2 factors, it is not prime. So watch the next video to learn how to find the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple of a set of numbers.